Hi, welcome to Vermilion Public Library's October Take and Makes. This month we are making spooky glass bottles. In the kit you will find a bag of glitter, a glass bottle with a cork, an eyelet, and one sticker. I also recommend that you lay something down to protect your area, as glitter kind of gets everywhere. Probably a pair of scissors and some kind of glue. So first, we're going to make sure the bottle is clean. This one has a little bit of glitter on it, but we're good. And then we're going to grab our stickers. And you might need to cut it down, which is what the scissors are for. I'm going to cut mine down just a little bit more. Okay, and then just peel off that backing. Then I'm just going to stick that on the bottle where I want it. Make sure there's no bubbles. Just like that. Next, I'm going to want to put the glitter in the bottle. So I'm going to take the bag of glitter, and I recommend just cutting the tip of the bag, as I don't think it'll be as messy as trying to pour it in another way. Fill it up as much as you would like, but leave a little room at the top. Put your cork back in. This is where the glue comes in. I suggest using some kind of glue to keep the cork in on top because you don't want this to fall apart. I'm using Elmer's glue, but hot glue or super glue will work just the same. So I'm going to take just a little bit of glue and I'm going to put it right on just the tiniest bit around the cork. Then I'm just going to put that right in, and that will glue the cork down and protect your house from being covered in glitter or wherever you decide to put this. So this part is optional, you don't have to, but I included an eyelet so that you can screw that into the top of the cork. You might want to use a pair of pliers, but it is pretty easy once you get it started to just screw that in there. Then you can either hang the bottle up around the house, or you can put a string through there and wear it as like a necklace for Halloween or something. But now you have a cute little spooky bottle for the month of October. Thank you for joining.